I'm Mike and welcome back to, well, not the workshop obviously. So it's Christmas time and I'm in my home house and I thought maybe it'd be fun to literally pull one out of the vaults in terms of projects. So I love books and you know I'm not going to stop buying books, so I have to keep building bookshelves. And I've made bookshelves out of everything really. There's a piano in the corner here, which was a piano and is now a bookcase in splice B-roll here. But one of my other passions when it comes to making bookcases is making bookcases that are easily deconstructible and reconstructible, because I'm always changing where I am and what I want in my collection. So behind me here is my first entry into that world. This is what I call my medieval flatpack. So this bookcase is entirely constructed using tuss tenon joinery, and it does not take long to build. In fact, I'm going to show you the whole thing to show you it only takes a couple of minutes. The reason I'm doing this, besides showing off how clever I am, is in here I'm going to make a new bookcase that requires no mechanical tools or fixings at all. Now, to be fair, all this one requires is this comically small hammer. So stay tuned for that and just enjoy us going together. If you want to see how to make one of these, like, share, comment, all those kind of things, and I might make another one. So let's get to the fun part. Let's put this baby back together. All in all, that's not bad. Oh, so just about 7 minutes from flat pack to fully assembled and as strong as houses. You can't get that with IKEA. Anyway, make sure to tune in next year. There won't be any videos for a couple of weeks because of Christmas and I had commitments over Christmas, when I'm going to make a bookcase that assembles quicker than that and is as steady. So, as always, like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Absolutely do try this at home, because this is just freaking cool.